Hey guys, today it is freezing cold in Nashville, and I just want to tell you, thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you for watching all the videos I've been making. And today we're doing This Is Amazing Grace, and I want you to play it awesome. I want you to sound awesome. I want you to feel awesome when you're playing it, just on one acoustic guitar. So check it out. Make sure you give a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel, and let's get this going. And I want you to make sure you download this chart. I'm about to show you the intro of This Is Amazing Grace. It goes like this. So it's just kind of a simple groove, a simple opening. It's not the exact thing that's on the record, but it's sort of cool. It's like very simple for you to do. And so I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to use the G chord, not the regular G chord. So it's a little intermediate with that. So you're going to use your third finger on top and your pinky on the high E. So you got your third finger here and your high finger here. And that's just right here on this chart. So I have this right here on this chart is showing you exactly what to do. So you can, and the rhythm is there too. So basically your third finger's on the third fret, your fourth finger's on the third fret, just like this and this. And then you take your first finger and put it on the first fret of the B string. And that's where you get the... So it kind of looks fun. That kind of looks funny. That looks weird, that's crazy. But your third finger reaches up here, your pinky is right there, and then your first finger does all the work on there. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is just like selective strumming. I mean, in fact, this is selective strumming. The top three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're kind of playing the top three, the rhythm, and then the high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up. And I'm doing a flip there to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's also all down, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's very, very, very simple strumming pattern. The chord's a little bit weird, and then it makes that cool sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you go to C. And on this one, notice I have my thumb on top. My thumb is on top. It's kind of muting that out. And then I'm only playing that top C. I'm muting out this string. So you have a mute on this E string, a mute on this string, and you're just playing that string. That's why it sounds so clean. So there's a couple muting things going on. You're muting the top, you're muting underneath, and you're kind of doing that. And so it'll go like this. There you got it. There it is. And who breaks the power? And then you go right into the verse with a palm mute. So hey guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment. Hey, and many of you guys already know about Worship Band Builder and the launch that I just did, but if you want more help with your worship team, if you want one-on-one help, just go to the website and click book a call. But it is freezing cold. Yesterday it was 20 degrees in Nashville, 20 degrees all day. I'm freezing cold.